How to deactivate Instagram account. Firstly, you have to install the Instagram app in your Android by the Play Store. Then open the Instagram app in your Android. This is the desktop page of the Instagram app. Then click on the profile menu of the Instagram app. Then click on the three lines on the right of the corner. After scrolling, you see there is the option of help. Click on the help. Before this, make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now click on the help center. Now click on the three lines on the right of the corner. Click on it. Now click on manage your account. Now click on delete your account. Now click on temporarily deactivate your account. Now click on search and deactivate your account. Click on disable your Instagram account. Temporarily disable your account. By this, your account can be disabled and deactivate. That was all. You can do this on your iPhone as well as in your Android. I hope that you have found value in this video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable contents in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.